channel, Saving Mamacita. For those of you who are brand new, welcome. We are about to unbag a super fun little package that I received in the mail as a gift. Who doesn't love gifts? Who doesn't love receiving boxes and packages in the mail? I mean, seriously. This one is gonna be a whole lot of fun because it is actually very different than what I have done before as far as unboxing and unbaggings go. This one is from a little company called My Little Mascara Club. That's right. So you can about imagine there's probably mascara in here, but in addition to mascara, there are some other fun little items that we are about to see what's inside here in just a little bit. A little bit about my background. I am not a makeup guru by any means. I have done unboxings for other makeup and beauty products, which are a lot of fun. But if I had to choose one makeup product that I could own and wear every day, it would definitely be mascara. Mascara for sure. So this one was really fun. I'm gonna unbox this, unbag this, however you wanna say it. But look at this cute little bag. This is what it comes in. Just a regular mailing envelope, but they have it so cute. It says, "You are good just as you are. Dream, design, become. Listen to your heart." Listen to your heart. That's what I immediately thought of. You do you, girl. Dream big, work smart, chillax much. What fun little messages to receive on an envelope, right? So, a little bit about My Little Mascara Club. This is actually my first unboxing slash unbagging for My Little Mascara Club. And I did some digging, I did some looking, and My Little Mascara Club is a subscription service. And of course, you're gonna receive mascara and some other little items to go with your mascara purchase. However, for this particular subscription, you do not receive it every single month. This is actually a refillable 6-month deal. However, did I say 6 months? I meant 6 weeks. Every 6 weeks, they will actually send you a refill if you so choose. However, they will send you a note before they actually send you out the product, just to be sure that you are on time for your refill. So it's kind of cool that way. Also, you can cancel anytime you want. So you're not gonna be locked in for a year. If you decide that it's not for you, that's okay. They will actually let you out of your subscription, which is super cool. So I love that. And that just goes to show that they strongly believe in their product and they want you to be happy. So this makes me happy already, just looking at this envelope. It's so darn cute. I just can't get over that. And on the back, they have My Little Mascara Club, and then also their website that you can check out, mylittlemascaraclub.com. So we are going to open this right now. I'm so excited. Let's see. Okay. So inside, oh wow, that's quite a bit of things, all of the things. Okay, so it comes in a little, oh, I dropped. Comes in a little baggie like that. My Little Mascara Club. Look at this. It comes with a really cute bag that says, "But first, mascara." That is so cute. So a cute little makeup bag that you can put any of your makeup products in. I like that. And it's actually it's not leather, but it's a very good quality bag. I like that. That's really cute. But first, mascara. Yes, for sure. Okay, so it says on the little sheet here, you get a sheet. It says Follow these tips to enjoy your new mascara. Hello there, we are excited for you to try your new mascara. You are gonna love it. Here are some key pointers to get your lashes looking luscious ASAP. So one thing about their mascara that they wanted me to know was that it is full of natural ingredients. So this is the Little Mascara right here. Cute little packaging. And it says this is Luscious Black. And black is really all I wear as far as mascara goes. I know there's some browns and some other colors, but I am actually a really big fan of black mascara. So here it is. We're gonna open it. Ooh, look at that. I like that wand. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so it says, speaking of the curvy brush, as you can see, it had a curvy brush. Use it horizontally on both the top and bottom lashes. The shorter wand gives you amazing control. If a short or curvy brush is new to you, visit their website at littlemascaraclub.com/how, and that'll show you how you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So yes. So another really cool thing about this, from what I've been reading, is that it actually won't smudge or flake or smear. And it's not waterproof mascara, however, it will stay. So we were gonna try that out. Look at that. You guys all make that face when you put mascara on? That kind of like, oh, oh, oh. It's hard not to. I really become more self-aware of when I'm doing it. It's like, oh yeah, I'm making that weird face when I put in my mascara on. I shouldn't do that. But what is that hurting though, right? So it's a little, I don't know, it feels a little dry here. I gotta get it moist. There we go. Okay, so it goes on fairly smooth. I already had a little bit of mascara on already, so it's not completely fresh. There, look at that. Yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. So yeah, every 6 weeks, they will send you a new mascara. And look what else they got. In here we have, ooh, that is super cool. Okay, this is Fresh Mascara Remover. I don't know about you, but at night I have a hard time getting my mascara off. It usually takes me, oh gosh, it seems like forever just to get my mascara off me. Okay, so inside they have this Fresh Mascara Remover. It's called micellar water with cucumber. So let's open that up. Okay, so it says it has with cucumber. Smells like cucumber. And then they also have one of these, actually there's two little pads. They're called Mascara Remover Wipes. So it's like a cloth, and I'm guessing you can just use that, put some of the remover on there, and then remove the mascara. Am I getting it off? Yeah, you can see I'm getting it off. It comes off pretty easily too. Yeah. Wow, that's really good. That remover is really good. Really awesome. So you get the mascara, you get the remover, you get the fun little bag, and then here is a little box of happy. This is cool. Okay, so it says, we believe women deserve to feel awesome and happy and confident and beautiful and whole. Yes, queens, yes. So we create mascara plus moments of happy. So what could be in this little happy box? Let's take a little look-see. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, for cute. You guys, it has a fortune cookie in it. How adorable is that? Let's open this up and see what the fortune tells us. Are you ready? Aw, today is the first day of the rest of your life. Choose a happy path. That is so cool. I love that. Little box of happy. So if you're interested in checking out My Little Mascara Club, you can go to their website, mylittlemascaraclub.com, and you can go through the different steps to join the club. But if you just want to take a look, go ahead and take a look. You choose your formula. So there's two different kinds. There's actually, I'm looking here right now. You get your starter kits. The mascara, it's $21 value. The erase reusable mascara wipes, $10 value. And yes, they are super soft, super, super soft. And the little box of happy surprise. So yeah. Little Mascara Club, so cute. Once again, the remover, the pads, the bag, the mascara, and the little box of happy. Isn't that so cute? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate that. And I will be sure to leave a link to My Little Mascara Club along with all of the items that I received in my unbagging. And you guys can check it out for yourself. Definitely a fun gift to receive. I appreciate it so much. And if you guys want to check out My Little Mascara Club for yourself, feel free to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will be back for more.